Yesterday we talked about, we introduced government, and what I want you to do today is walk and talk with a partner, a different partner that you did with yesterday. Thank you to those of you who aren't choosing your partners yet, because I'll tell you when you can do that. But I want you to walk and talk with a partner about 3 things that you learned about government yesterday. So you can think about things that we did with federal government, things that we did with, talked about with state government, the different laws, and just what government does in general. So yesterday you talked about what you thought you already knew. Today I want you to think about and discuss what you learned yesterday. So when I say my code word, which is pride, I want you to find a different partner than yesterday and walk and talk around the room for about 45 seconds. Pride. Okay, so what are some things that you shared with your partners? Isaac.
We learned the 3 branches.
3 branches of government. Can someone else tell me what those 3 branches are? Garrett.
The legislative, the other branch, and then the branch of legislative. No, don't.
He already said legislative, so thank you. Ty, what do you think?
Executive and
Judicial. Very good, Ty. So, very close. So, legislative. And who remembers that little trick to remember what the legislative branch is all about? Yes, Casey. John?
law. Wait, I know. Law.
Okay.
Law.
Yes, legislative branch deals with all the laws. And how do we remember that, Riley? Okay. Yeah, so we remember, I'll come back to that. We remember that the judicial or the legislative branch deals with laws because of what then? Because it starts with an L. That's easy enough. So legislative, we do things, it deals with laws. They help make the laws. Very good. Judicial, Riley, can you tell us more about that?
It's the judge.
Yeah, the judicial branch deals with the court systems and judges, things like that. Yeah.
The executive is like elections and stuff.
Executive, so they're elected into office, and what major position goes with the executive branch? Yes, Dak.
I just forgot.
It's okay. So, Garrett, go
I have a
ahead.
question.
First I wanted to answer that question, or then I'll come back to your question. Keeper.
The president.
Yes, the president goes with the executive branch. So when you think of the executive branch, think of the president. So using your resources that I've already given you, I would like you to write in pencil on this sheet what words that you think go with each branch of government. Thank you to those of you whose eyes are on me. I appreciate that. So this sheet of paper has a list of words on it, and you're going to put those words in order of what you think goes in each category. And I just want you to write in pencil. The directions here say to use scissors and glue, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to write in pencil and then go over the answers as a group before we do anything permanent. And that way, in pencil, you can erase. Thank you for not snooze that yet. That way you can erase and have the right answers in there. Now, I feel like most of you have earned the right of working in your groups. Now, what are some responsibilities? With every right comes a responsibility. What are responsibilities of working in groups or partners? Olivia?
To talk about what you're supposed to be talking about.
Yes.
Not talking about recess.
Right, not talking about recess, not talking about your weekend, but really focusing on the tasks that you have. John?
Don't be too loud.
Don't be too loud, yeah, because there are other people working around us, and if one table's really loud, then the other table feels like they need to be loud, so I need you working at a level 1. Okay, are there any questions before we get started? Can I have a couple of people pass these out for me? Thank you. And I'll be around to answer any